was in my bed, sleeping. I heard it knock on my door saying, a truck behind me is on fire. So that's what's happening up there. So they say everybody got to move. God damn, in my deep sleep. Now they get this rest here confused. Everybody got to move. This truck trying to go around there, can't go around. I can see the fire that blue truck up here, they put it in out and they get the fire out. So this truck's supposed to go around so I can go around. It's like they're trying to move every truck out of the rest area. And I wasn't even close to that truck. So now they're gonna tell me to back up. Back all the way back. More fire trucks coming. I thought they already out that fire. So I don't even know what caused that fire, but fire. How can it be fire in rain? It was raining and it was firing. Oh, they bet they finally get the fire down. DOT. I never checked a company by the name of DOT. So now I don't know if I'm gonna get parking. I guess I know I was already comfortable, and I know all those parking spots over here are already taken. So, I was already out, so I can drive like 4 miles per hour to find me a park. Even though I already go at PC. Just in case my clock, I'm going to drive. Oh my! And I'm here in Buffalo, New York. Yeah, I'm supposed to pick up my load tomorrow, so I'm just like 10 minutes away from my pickup location. Luckily, these trucks down here don't have to move. As I can see, I was all the way up there. And I didn't even know that there was a fire behind me. Oh boy. And my mind was telling me to come get one of these parking, but I just take the first spot I see when I enter. If I was down here, I would be okay, don't have to worry about moving. You know, these rest area on the 90, they don't have much spaces on the ramp. So, you know, somebody get knocked tonight, I know that's me. Oh man. What's going on here tonight? But I guess my trouble is not nowhere close to that guy that his truck get burned down. His trouble is more worse than mine. Mine is nothing compared to his. Mine is nothing compared to his up here. Fire inside rest area in Buffalo, New York. I guess that's a corona fire. declare one a fire. I didn't even know that there was a fire. It's one of those days. It's one of those days.